use braces to mark the block of statement inside the while loop, and I'm going to enter the things inside the loop. So first of all, I have to tell the user that he is incorrect. So I'm going to send a message to the user, and because the guess is wrong, I'm going to change the console color. So I'm going to change the console foreground color. So I press the dot key, and then I can select foreground color attribute here, and then set it equal to, now Visual C# is very smart because have chosen color here, and it's guessing that I want to use one of the predefined colors, and in this case it's console color dot red, okay, because it's incorrect. And then the next line is of course to write out the message, okay, and then actually I auto fixed the problem with the placeholder here, because previously we forget to provide a string which will match this placeholder here, this one here. Okay, now I'm going to copy this thing and I'm going to paste down here, and I'm going to say sorry. Okay, actually you can use his name again. Is incorrect. Please try again. Okay. And then now let's try this. Let's try what I have done so far. So program, save it as. Okay, you may notice that you could have used the Ctrl S quick shortcut key to save the program. And then I'm pressing F5 to run it. What's your name? Let's see, John. Please guess the number, 17. Now you see I'm getting the red foreground color, but it's an infinite loop. So let's press Ctrl C to stop it. Okay, now we know it's working, but it's an infinite loop, right? So let's do something here. Let's say ask again and check, and we are going to ask the user to try again. Actually, we have asked it to try again, right? So we just need to read line. Okay, we just do a console read line. Okay, and because we are reading something, from getting something from the user, we need to store it in a variable, and in this case is the same variable that we used before is uGuess, okay, which is this one. So basically the same line, but without the string, without the initialization. And then we are going to do the same thing here. Actually, we can just copy these things from here. Now, as you notice, we are repeating ourselves, but it's okay. We can fix it in a later version of the program, in which we will be smarter. Okay, right now let's just do it in the not so smart way. Okay, so now in this time the program will not be looping infinitely, because we will be asking the user for a number, and then we'll assign this result to the boolean, and then we are going to check it here. Okay, so let's save it again. Let's run it again. So Adam, 17. Sorry, incorrect. Let's 20. Still incorrect. How about 28? Yes, this is correct. But you notice that after we have changed the color, we set the foreground color to red, everything else is in red. So we need to change the color back to the original color scheme. So I'm going to, oh wow, this is really smart. Okay, so this is not only alphabetical, but it's guessing what we are trying to do next. Okay, so we say reset color. Yes, thank you very much, Visual Studio. So we reset the color, and then now when will we exit out of this loop? We get out of this loop, we get out of the while loop when the guess is not wrong, meaning that when the guess is right. So when the guess is right, what do you do? Well, we congratulate the user, right? So we are going to copy this block and we are pasting it here. Okay, and then let's change the color to, how about green? Okay, for congratulations. And then we are going to say, congratulations, you are correct. You can say, yay. Username, you are correct. Of course, we have to leave the name here. Okay, so and again we are going to reset the color. And because we are doing a congratulation, how about a bit of sound here? Okay, we are going to give a simple sound by making a beep. Okay, so our little program is now finished. So let's run and try it. Okay, let's zoom out a little bit to see the whole program. So save it, run it. So what's your name? I can enlarge it a little bit. I would say Peter. Please guess the number. I would say 5. Incorrect. 8. Incorrect. How about 28? You see, it gave me a beep, but then the program vanishes too quickly. So how about I add another line here to keep the screen, okay, until the user presses the key. So what line should I add? You remember? It starts with console, and I'm reading something from the input stream. Yes, it's read key. It's a method, okay, but I am not going to use the value. So just do a read key, Control S, F5, run again. So this time is let's say John. 8, no. 10, no. 28. That's a beep. And hey, John, you are correct. So thank you very much. We have finished our coding of the first Visual C# console application. So if you are still with me, very good. Okay, I'm going to see you in the next lab. Bye for now.